Here's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Whether you take the path less traveled or you make your own, Tacoma has the guts to power through and look good doing it. Features include automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Many are driven, few are chosen. The Tacoma was named most dependable midsize pickup in the J.D. Power & Associates 2011 Vehicle Dependability Study, and IntelliChoice called it a 2011 Best Overall Value in the compact pickup segment. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.